Hello, I'm Dean, Project Lead at Breakwater IT. In this video, I'm going to be repairing my framework laptop, which I carelessly dropped in this little corner here. For penance for my sins, I am now going to repair it on screen. It actually proves a great point about the framework laptop, is that these are repairable. If I dropped it on another laptop, per se, then I wouldn't actually be able to buy the parts and also have like the documentation, which I'm going to show you in a bit as well, that framework give you. First thing I wanted to show you basically is that they come, the parts come in like just a normal standard box. But the great thing is that they get this QR code from my phone. I can scan this code. It'll actually take you to the guide of how you would actually repair, or you'd actually swap out the part that you are replacing. The guides themselves are actually really great. They tell you how difficult it is, estimated time for how long it should take, and it's a step-by-step guide. First, we need to do the back on the bottom. Steps 1 are shut down your laptop. Step 2, unplug your laptop. Step 3 is to take the back cover off. One more of these. Be careful when you lift it up because there is a little clip. So next we're removing the battery. Okay, right, so that's battery disconnected. I'm now going to unscrew my battery. There we go. On the battery as well, it's even got like instructions where it says about unplugging and where the 3 screws are. Remove the Wi-Fi module. And this is this guy over here. Right, now we need to disconnect the display cable. So I believe that's this guy over here. So I think I've got to hold it by this black. Oh yeah, there you go. Pop straight off. Disconnect the speaker. So it's this guy here. Disconnect the audio cable. Next. There we go. Cool. Woo, step 10. Remove the motherboard. See, that is cool. If you notice, I thought it was like really easy to take the top bit off. So around the edges of this laptop, there's magnets. So I reckon that's how to keep it secure. So you want to do the 5 screws. And then, because mine is a end, I still have the display connected. Number 11, unscrew the hinges. Now that everything has been uninstalled, the bottom cover should now completely detach from the top cover. Yeah. Be a little bit braver. There we go. So now we'll take our new one and we're going to put it back on. And as we do that, we'll put our new front cover on as well. So let's install motherboard. Let's do the speaker cable next. It says to do. Right, that was the display cable back in. Next is the battery, and then the last is the Wi-Fi card. So I guess kind of do it in reverse. Start 3, 2, 1. So we need to reconnect. Well, my it works. Okay.